In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your hotel reservation on booking.com. If you have a booking you need to cancel, don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, and it will be much simpler than you might think. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your account on booking.com. Open up your preferred web browser or the booking.com app on your smartphone. Once there, head over to the login page, enter your email and password, being sure that the credentials are correct, and then click the sign in button. This will take you to your booking.com dashboard where all your reservations are managed. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Bookings or My Bookings. This is typically located in the menu or the main screen of your dashboard. It might be a little different depending on whether you're using the app or the website version, so take a moment to look around if you can't see it right away. Once you're in the My Bookings section, you should see a list of all your upcoming reservations. Scroll through until you locate the hotel reservation you wish to cancel. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct booking, particularly if you have multiple reservations. After you've found the reservation you want to cancel, you'll notice an option that says Cancel Booking. Click on this option. This will initiate the cancellation process. The platform is designed to guide you through the steps needed to finalize your cancellation, so follow the prompts as they appear on your screen. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision and possibly select a reason for the cancellation. This is just standard procedure. Complete these steps until you reach a confirmation page. Once you've confirmed your cancellation, it's important to check your email for a cancellation confirmation. Booking.com will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. This message serves as proof that the cancellation has been processed. Keep this email on file in case you need to reference it later. Before we finish, it's crucial to keep in mind that cancellation policies can vary depending on the hotel. Some hotels have more flexible policies that allow free cancellations, while others may charge a fee. Always review the cancellation policy of your specific booking beforehand to avoid any unexpected charges. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling your hotel reservation on booking.com. Whether you're trying to free up your schedule or simply looking for a change, following these steps will help you manage your bookings with ease. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from this walkthrough.